Yes, this is the map. Here beta you can see this Karakoram range, this is Ladakh range, and this is Jaskar range. Karakoram range, this one, further it has extension in Tibet. Maximum portion of this range lies in Tibet, that is why these are also known as Tibetan mountain. This is Ladakh range, this is Jaskar range. Kailash range, this is also the part of the Trans-Himalayan mountain. So these ranges includes, and this is known as the Trans-Himalayas. Consist of Ladakh, Karakoram, Ladakh, center one is Ladakh, and this one is Jaskar range. So these are the Trans-Himalayas or the Tibetan Himalayas. Then after the Himalayas consist of three ranges. This one you can see, this range, this is the Himadri. This is one of the most continuous range. ये पूरी continuous range है. There is no break in this range. The most continuous range. This is the Himadri located towards the north. ठीक है. Then after the second one, this is the most altered rock, means composed up of altered rocks or discontinued range. This middle one range is known as the Lesser Himalaya or the Himachal range. Second one you can see. The third one you can see, this is the Shivalik range. Shivalik range starts from Jammu Kashmir and slightly it touches the border of Punjab and Haryana also, and it extends till Brahmaputra, you can see. So this is Shivalik range. This is also known as the Outer Himalaya. This is known as Outer Himalaya or this is known as Outer Himalaya or Shivalik range. Middle one is known as Lesser Himalaya or Himachal range, and the topmost layer range is known as the Himadri or Inner Himalaya. Okay, so these are the Inner Himalaya. Now the Eastern Himalaya. Eastern Himalaya, you can see from here, from Arunachal Pradesh, this is Himalayan range extends towards the south. ये south की तरफ आपकी extend हो जाती, turn हो जाती है, and it is composed of Patkai Hills. Patkai Hills lies in basically Arunachal Pradesh. Then आपका Naga Hills lies in Nagaland. Then Mizo Hills, Mizoram, and Manipur Hills in Manipur. So this is known as the Eastern Himalaya or the Purvanchal range, and this extends up to the Myanmar. ये जो हमारा ईस्टर्न हिमालयन है ये आपका म्यांमार तक आपका एक्सटेंड होता है. So in this way, Trans Himalaya, Himalayan and Eastern Himalaya. This is clear to you people. Now we will look for the next one. The three parallel, we will learn about the three parallel ranges of Himalayan mountain. This is also known as the longitudinal division of Himalayan mountain. This the longitudinal division of Himalayan mountain, it is consist of three ranges, as already I told you: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Beta, I have prepared a chart for you to keep the main points or the keywords in your mind, so that it will be easy for you to remember, because a question in form of comparison or distinguish is asked basically, and these are the different features. On that basis only you can it will be easy for you to compare. So first of all, location, altitude and width. First of all, Himadri lies in north, altitude in between 6000 meter to 8000 meter. Maximum height is approximate 8000 meter. The width of the Himadri range is 25 किलोमीटर on an average. ठीक है, आपके 25 किलोमीटर की इसकी चौड़ाई है हिमाद्री रेंज की on an average. Second range is Himachal. It is also known, it is located in middle. Altitude इसकी जो height है that is 35 किलोमीटर to 35 meter to 45 meter, and the width is 50 किलोमीटर ऑन एन एवरेज। इसकी जो चौड़ाई है आपकी इस रेंज की वो है आपकी 50 किलोमीटर। देन द शिवालिक रेंज इज located towards the south, to the south of Himalayan mountain. The altitude range is between 900 to 1100 meter, 900 to 1100 meter, and the width varies in between 10 to 50 किलोमीटर। कुछ जगहों पर ये आपको 10 किलोमीटर की चौड़ाई मिलेगी, कुछ जगहों पर ये आपकी 50 किलोमीटर तक चौड़ी है। सो दिस इज द location, altitude and width. Then after composition basically beta, all the Himalayan mountains basically are made up of sedimentary rocks, but when we especially we talk about the Himadri range, so the core of the Himadri range is made up of granite.